Dear friends, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, that location of the hotel is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can talk about the reviews and the reviews of the hotel and guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and reviews, etc. Category 2. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, previously required WiFi agent. The location of the hotel is superb and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Three categories of rooms are available and enjoy your stay. Secondly, various breakfasts and living rooms. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon